Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on dark mode on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, this tutorial is a very quick and easy tutorial, okay? So let's proceed. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just create one by clicking the sign up button. Okay. So once you've logged in your account, you want to click on settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen and click on settings. Okay. So now here at the account info section, you want to scroll down until you see the personal section. Okay. And here you can see the theme, right? So just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and select dark. And as you can see that my Roblox is now on dark mode. So if you want to switch it back to light mode, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and click on light. Okay. And that is how you turn on dark mode on Roblox. So we hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.